Guiyang fans spent $800,000. Now it only needs $70,000 or $80,000. Now the shock absorber, but the owner still has a soft spot for this car. I don't want to accompany my car for more than 10 years, so it's scrapped. I'm going to show all of you watching this video. I won't be stingy with a little red heart. The video is full of dry goods. Those with strong abilities can learn in the end. Take advantage of the time when the owner goes to wash his hair. We go up. The culprit of the air leak. Disassemble and learn, and then start to repair. There will be a surprise at the end. See here! Congratulations! Has learned the shock absorption repair of the Volkswagen Phaeton. Do you think we should accept such maintenance? How many Guiyang fans are suitable? Leave a message in the comment area and tell me.